Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock the cleansing ability in Pragmata. To unlock this ability, you need to progress through the main story first. There is no shortcut or hidden location for it. Start by completing these 4 main areas: solar power plant, mass production, Terra Dome and Lunar mines. Keep playing through each of these zones normally and follow the story objectives. Once you reach Lunar mines, you will eventually face and defeat the sand boss there. After that, just continue progressing through the game. A bit later, you'll reach a mission where you need to save Diana. Again, just follow the main story path. Don't worry about exploring for this ability because it's not tied to any side content or map location. Right before you reach the final chapter called Central Port, the cleansing ability will unlock automatically. It doesn't appear on the regular map, which is why you won't see a specific location for it. But don't worry, you can't miss it as long as you keep following the story. Once unlocked, you can use the cleansing ability by holding L1 on PlayStation, LB on Xbox or the E key on PC, and that's it. Just progress through the story and you'll unlock it naturally before the final chapter. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.